Hey guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on Bumble app. To know how to fix or how to find a solution about failed opening on Bumble app, you should just go to settings as you see, and you can click. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can search about Bumble. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.